So hello guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to show you that how can you get a free domain for your website absolutely free. So this is going to work for everyone, doesn't matter where do you live. So let me clear the most common issue, that is, will this work in Asian countries like India and Nepal? Yes brother, it will definitely work for you. It will work for every country on the globe, but just the one thing that you need to do is watch the video till the end to know the trick. So without any further delay, let's move on to the video.
Guys, this is the first part of my web development series with a free domain and free hosting. So in this video I will show you that how do we get a free domain for 12 months. So for if you live in USA, you do not need to connect to any VPN, but if you live in any Asian country, then you need to have a VPN. The VPN that I use is a Betternet VPN. This is free, you don't need to register anything. So I recommend you to use this VPN. This is not any promotion guys, or not any sponsorship. So just because we don't need to register over here, so I use this VPN Betternet. You can get it from the description. So what you will do is you will click on connect. So the default location is automatically USA. Now you can see that I am connected to the NAUSA server. So now what I will go to browser and search Freenome. Yes, please watch the video till the end to know how can you get the domain through Freenome in 2020. So type your website name, and at last type like .ml or /tk or /ga to get the domain. Then you will click on check availability. You will see that leadertech.ml is available. You can choose tk as well, but I will go with ml. So click on checkout, and from period you can see there are a lot of periods. From then they select 12 months free and click on continue. So guys, once you click on continue, if you live in, as previously I mentioned, if you live in USA, you can type your own email. You can register with your own details. But if you live any other place than African or European or American continent, then you can go to the website called Fake the World. From there, go to the first URL. I'll provide the link in the description. So once you are onto the website, what you need to do is select USA. So now as you can see a fake detail of just a fake detail. So what you need to do is you need to copy the email from here. Just click on copy. Even if you click on that text, it will automatically get copied. Now put it here and click on verify my email address. Sometimes the problem that you might get is that our user already exists with this email address. So what you can do is go to that same website and refresh. I got a working email in my 4th try. So you all can do as well. You all try once or twice, you will get the working email. I will copy it. As you can see that this one is working properly. So now what I will do is I will go to there must be a mail in my mailbox. I will go there and open my mailbox. So what you need to do is wait for 1 or 2 minutes and you will get a Freenome email verification. Just click on that URL. You will get redirected to another website. Sorry, URL. So from there it will ask your details. So be clear guys, here you don't need to fill up your own details, but what you can do is you can go to that same website, and from there you can copy the name. You can I copied the name. You can type any company name, whatever you like. So guys, if you want the part 2 of this video in which I will be saying you that how can you get the free hosting, comment down below. I'll surely upload it soon. And in state or region you can choose any state you want. I will be choosing New York. So in phone number, be careful that guys that you please remove that brackets from that number. So now type your password. I recommend you to type your email and password in one copy that you don't the next time when you try to log in you don't forget your email and password. So now what you have to do is complete order. Wait. So now you can see that thanks for your order, you will receive a confirmation email shortly. So now the domain has been successfully purchased. Let me show you the proof. Go to the home page and log in with your ID, just the ID and the password that you just created. I recommend you to write down in a copy. Once again I am saying that you don't forget next time. Once you log in, you can go to services. From services you can go to my domain. So here you can see that leadertech.ml, and even I can manage the domain. I can change the name servers, I can change the DNS. So you can see that expiry date is just after 12 months. So I hope you guys like the video. So if you want the second part of this video where I will show you that how will you host your website over the internet for free, absolutely free. That tech will also work all over the globe. So please comment down below if you want the second part of the video. Thanks for watching guys. Please press the bell icon. Please subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next video and you do not miss any videos from our channel. Thank you guys for watching.